In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Meta AI name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect, and why your name might appear differently across Meta apps. Start by opening Meta AI. You can access it inside Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or WhatsApp, or through the standalone Meta AI app if you have it. Once you're in, look for the profile icon. It's usually in the lower left corner of the screen and may look like a small person silhouette or your avatar depending on the app's design. Tap the profile icon, then choose View Profile. This takes you to your Meta AI profile page, where you can see how your name and details appear within Meta AI. Next, tap Edit Profile. From here, select Name. This is the dedicated field for your Meta AI display name. Type in the name you want to use. Keep it simple, recognizable, and aligned with the app's guidelines. If you use Meta AI for work or public interactions, consider a name that's professional and easy to search for. When you're happy with it, tap Save or Done. The wording can vary slightly between apps, but both confirm your change. Your updated display name should appear immediately in Meta AI, including in your chats and when others search for you inside the assistant. A quick but important note: this change only affects your Meta AI display name within Meta AI. It doesn't always update your Facebook or Instagram profile name. Some accounts are connected through the Account Center syncing system, which can share name information across Meta apps. If your new Meta AI name seems to update elsewhere automatically, or if it reverts back, that syncing is likely the reason. Depending on your setup, the name you see in Meta AI may come from one of three places: your Meta AI profile settings, your Facebook or Instagram profile name, or the Account Center syncing system. That's why people sometimes get confused. Changing one place can affect another, while in other cases it won't. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Layouts can vary by region, app version, and whether you're inside Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, or the Meta AI app. Just look for the same sequence: profile icon, view profile, edit profile, then name, and finally save or done. That's it. You've changed your Meta AI name. Remember, the update is for Meta AI specifically, and what happens in other apps depends on how your accounts are connected.